I'll be showing how to make a simple coffee shampoo for improving hair growth, good for treating hair loss, and also to improve circulation to the scalp. So stay tuned. This home remedy, make use of any shampoo of your choice. I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of shampoo. I'll also add 2 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee will help to exfoliate the scalp, reduce hair growth, and also it will help to rebalance the pH level of the hair. Adding 1 tablespoon of Jamaican castor seed oil. This will prevent hair breakage, strengthen the hair, and also moisturize dry hair. I'll be making use of honey. Honey will add shine to the hair and also help to moisturize the hair. Adding, I'm going to mix until well combined. This coffee shampoo will help to exfoliate the scalp, boost hair growth, and also rebalance the pH level of the scalp and get rid of dead skin cells. So I'm going to apply this on a wet hair. Up and massage my scalp and make sure that the shampoo touches all the parts of my hair. When I'm done, I can leave it to sit for about 2 minutes, then rinse out and moisturize my hair. You can see how easy it is to make this coffee shampoo DIY. Addition of this coffee into this shampoo will exfoliate the scalp and remove any buildup, promote soft hair, and boost hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna